Hey, baby! Hey! Wakey, wakey! Hey! Wakey, wakey! Come on, wake up! Happy birthday to you, baby!
Oh, thank you, darling. Good morning. Oh.
Here, I need your breakfast.
So I just got served breakfast on my birthday.
Well, you can say that again, but not that type of breakfast. This one is a special one.
Oh, this looks nice.
Go and have some. You like it? Huh? Okay, so we're about to try this one. Okay. Like that. Hey, what's with me?
I'm just going to check.
No. I don't want you to go anywhere today. I'm not just nervous, don't worry. I'll just check it for something.
Alright.
See you soon. 1 minute. Oof. Ouch.
You are?
I don't understand. Are you not supposed to be the one answering that question?
Please. Who the hell are you?
Okay. Let me oblige.
Please look at the log.
I'm the one wearing a sleeping gown, and I'm the one opening the door for you. So does that make any sense?
Wait. No. This can't be. Has Ugochukwu been cheating on me?
Wait. Are you dating my boyfriend?
No.
Hey. Ow! Babe!
How dare you, bastard?
Babe, what is this now? What's the meaning of this? I thought you were supposed to be happy that I'm proposing to you.
Okay, you have suffered. You know, in your book of description, I must be the most stupid amongst the women on there, right? Okay, wait. In your lineup of girls, what number am I actually? Number 7, 8, 10?
Babe.
Or what number? Or maybe I don't even have a number. Tell me.
Babe, what is going on now? What's happening?
You know, it's the fact that you try to pretend to act like you don't know what I'm talking about. That is just what it is for me.
Babe, just go straight to the point and talk to me now. You're confusing me. You just got here and slapped me on my face.
How did I not see this? How did I not see you for the liar and the cheat that you are? Hey, God. You were even planning to propose to me. You were planning to propose to me. I suffered.
Babe, I thought you'd be happy about the proposal. What's...
You see why you men cannot make heaven? God will judge you. It's not your fault.
Babe, I thought...
Listen, Kochuku, you don't know me. So you know that you don't know me. You don't know this part of me. Don't touch me. If you touch me.
You're confusing me now. Talk to me now. See? But you just brought me... What's going on? Babe, please now, just listen to me at least, babe, please now, don't go, babe. What?
Surprised? Same way she got surprised when she came here to surprise you. And I also did.
Babe, look, I absolutely know nothing about this.
Oh, of course. You will not know anything about it.
Babe, I'm serious
also
now.
That you can do what? You can tell her not to come, so I will not find out. Thank God she came, and I was able to find out the kind of person you are. Really?
Babe, you need to believe me. Okay, I know nothing about this. Babe, we can't end things like this now. Just think about our unborn child.
Our unborn child. You know, the reason I'm not going to remove this child is because it's innocent, right? I'm not going to, consider your treacherous and lying attitude. Mr. Ugochukwu Nwokoma, I am leaving. I am not going to come back again, but you are going to take responsibility for this child. You take responsibility for everything. Do you understand? I'm going to live your life now, Mr. Ugochukwu Nwokoma. You don't even look anything like your name. Sad. Liar.
I gave you my heart.
Babe, you have to believe me. I know nothing about this.
My all believed in the dreams I will be built so tall. But now I stand in this empty space, a million tears are rolling down my face. You'll say it forever, but forever light. I'm drowning in the pain that you tried to hide, to shelter the promises, scattered dreams. But nothing is ever as real as it seems to be. You turned my heart, left me in pain. Oh, standing all alone in the pouring rain. Oh, shattered promises. Oh, scattered dreams.
Is everything okay? Are you alright?
And how is that your business, I ask? How is it your business? How is it your business? How is it your business? How?
Come on, please. I mean no harm, okay? I've been sitting over there watching a beautiful damsel guzzle alcohol with reckless abandon. And thought to myself, what could be the problem?
And I ask again, how is it your business? How is it your business? How is it your business?
Sorry, are you heavy laden? Huh?
Oh my goodness, this man is just a pain in the ass. You know what? You can finish it. Stop, I'm done. I'm done.
Hello? Hello, babe, listen. You know what? Just give me a minute. Let me just explain myself to you. Look, it wasn't intentional. What's that? Steve, is this you? Steve, there was no party. There was no party. It's a long story, okay? Steve, she left. Steve, listen, I said she left. And look, I'm not in the right frame of mind to just explain anything to you right now, okay, Steve? Please. I'll talk to you when I see you in the office tomorrow. Please.
Babe, can you stop already? Why are you wasting your tears over that imbecile?
Why would he do this to me?
Because he's a coward who clearly does not know what he wants. Listen, you're better off without him.
But I love him.
Loved. That should be the appropriate word to use. Besides, he has made his point and it's in your favor, so just forget about him, please.
It's hard. It's hard. It's my life.
God forbid. Don't say that. He will never be your life. Listen. I understand how you feel, but that guy, he doesn't deserve you. You gave him more relevance than he deserved, even when I was against it. It's okay. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Ugochukwu, so you mean a woman came to your house and she claimed to be your girlfriend?
Exactly.
Who is she?
I don't know. I didn't even get to see her. The only thing I met was the mess she created.
Are you serious? Have you tried to call other of your girlfriends to find out who amongst them that came? And see, you need to be creative and also be smart.
Steve, wait. I want to understand something. What are you trying to imply here? That I'm double dating? Say something now. Have you suddenly gone dumb or something?
I was just trying to help.
You were trying to help.
Ugochukwu, you know how dedicated you are to your work. And your absence today says a lot. We miss you, and we miss you guys too.
I don't understand. Miss you guys? Miss me and who?
Chizaram. Chizaram did not come to work today too. And I tried calling her phone. She did not pick.
You look pale. Have you been crying?
No, sir. I have something fell into my eye and it's giving me migraine, but I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am fine. I just want to say thank you so much for the other time. I don't know what would have become of me if you weren't there. Thank you. I really appreciate.
Well, that's nothing. You know, you were visibly shaken and obviously needed help. That's nothing, like I said earlier. I appreciate your gratitude still.
Thank you, sir. It means a lot to me. I was in a vulnerable state, and in such situations, people tend to take advantage. But you didn't. For all I know, you could be a serial killer, a rapist, or even a ritualist.
Very well said. Unfortunately, I'm none of those, evidently.
I can see that. I was also going to ask, how did you know where I live? I mean, you brought me straight to my house.
Oh, about that. I've been seeing you around, you know. I see you around.
Okay, but I've never seen you in this estate. Do you live here?
Nah, I don't. But I have a couple of houses in this estate, including like 2 next to you. You know. Hey, do not think I stalked you to the bar, okay? It's just sheer coincidence, nothing else.
It's fine, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Now to the billion-dollar question. Why would a beautiful girl like you walk to a bar and drink herself to a stupor? What happened?
Sir, I wouldn't want to talk about it.
Okay. Relationship issues, perhaps? Am I right?
Thanks for your concern, but I wouldn't want to talk about it.
If you say so. Not a problem.
Thank you, sir.
So please take care of yourself, okay? Alright.
Well, the major player intended for this particular project has given his final answer. He's not interested. You know, this particular project was crafted with him at the center stage. Even though he gives his, he believes in our vision and goals, he backed out for reasons best known to him.
And for a second, I thought this meeting was supposed to announce our biggest investor, whose identity has been concealed from us. So this is a huge setback.
So I believe this poses a very big challenge to us. Investor or whosoever he might be will definitely be keeping close tab on the process and outcome of this project. So we need to make him rule his decision to back out.
Back out? He didn't back out. He was never interested. I thought I would convince him. But for reason best known to him, he doesn't want to be involved.
Well, sir, we've put in a lot into this project. I mean, time, energy, resource. What do we do?
Remind me of our slogan again.
More progress, more projects.
That means failure has no place in this firm. We are tech people, and tech people don't fail. I know this is challenging, but I believe we'll pull it through.
That's right, sir. But the big question is, what do we do? How best do we go about this, sir? Because we have barely 2 weeks to launch this project. Or is there any second option?
No second option. You will come up with something.
Me?
Yes. You and Ugochukwu. I want you guys to join hands together and pull this off. Come up with something tangible that we could work with. Again, I believe that we are tech people and nothing is too difficult for us.
But sir...
Ugochukwu, no buts. This is not something you can't pull through. Okay? I need you both to join hands together and pull this off. One more thing. Consider this as your KPI. Alright? Thank you.
Ugochukwu, you need to calm down. Seriously, you really need to calm down. Things are not as bad as you're saying it.
Wait, you didn't just say this, Steve. Isn't it bad enough that the chairman wants me to cover up for his own professional mess and to do it with Chizara? How on earth does he expect me to work with her?
How on earth are you not supposed to work with her? Eh? I don't understand. We have a situation at hand. If there's anyone here that is good with this job, it's Chizara. You know how it is with her.
Wait, why are you making it look like as if I'm not making sense?
Because you're not making sense. Yes. Please. Ugochukwu, whatever situation you have with Chizara, please let it not affect your job. You're a professional. Eh?
Chizara, this is a private office. Courtesy demand you knock before entering. That's common sense.
Oh, so that common sense did not also tell you to get your intercom fixed and stop people from coming to your office all the time. Get that document fixed and meet me at the boardroom after lunch.
What court? I should meet you at the boardroom after lunch. What right do you have to make decisions for us?
Point of correction, Ugochukwu. There is no word as us. So drop that already. And as for this, I dare you not to meet me at the boardroom after lunch.
What arrogance! What guts! And you, why are you even looking at her like that?
Are you jealous?
Jealous. You just shut up. Shut up! I'm sick and tired of your attitude. What's all this now?
Really? You are sick and tired of me. Do you really want to go down that lane? Because you know what? I hate you with so much passion.
And is that supposed to make me feel bad? You're joking because I don't care.
Of course you don't care. What do I expect from you? Why would you care when you're obviously a cheat?
A cheat? Did you just call him a cheat?
Please help me ask her. Because it's obvious she's lost her mind.
Oh yes, I have lost my mind. I've lost my mind, Ugochukwu. And you see that person that made me lose it? He will regret it. It's a promise.
Explain to me, what is all this? What is really going on? Ugochukwu? Ugochukwu? Ugochukwu, I'm talking to you. Ugochukwu, I'm talking to you.
What is it now, Steve? Steve, let me be. What is the problem?
What is going on?
What is going on where?
What is going on between you and Chizara?
I don't understand. Is it new? You were very Don't you know it's cat and dog between her and Chisara? So what is the problem?
Yes, you're correct. But this is different. See, you both have been on the dark side of each other. Go to what is going on.
What is different about it? Please tell me.
Chukwu, it is not fact that both of you have been on the dark side of each other. But what I'm seeing right now is way deeper than it were.
So tell me, what is different about this?
Wait, are you seriously asking me that question? Can't you see it? Can't you see how hatred burning like fire in her eyes?
And so? Is that supposed to make me feel scared? As in, I don't understand.
Gochuku, this whole thing started the day both of you missed work the same day. Is there something I need to know?
Yes.
So tell me.
Come close, let me tell you. Steve, let me breathe.
Great job. Now, back to the matter at hand. Any news yet? But you already did. Huh? Do the job and do it well. This is long overdue. Huh? My patience is being stretched to the limits. Yes. I'm so sorry for that long call.
Oh, not an issue at all. I hope all is well.
Well, everything is under control. What happened to your car?
Oh, I went to the fuel station to fill my tank and the car wouldn't start. I was there for ages, trying to reach my mechanic before you showed up.
Oh. Okay.
You seem to be everywhere.
Well, I try at least. I try. Sometimes.
Thank you so much. You really saved me a whole lot of stress.
Wow, you so totally deserve it. And you know it.
I'll see you around.
Chisara, you mean you can't invite me over to your house for a drink or water perhaps?
Well, I'd love to, but my house is in a bit of a mess. It's not suitable for someone of your status.
Okay. Is it that your workload in the office doesn't give you enough time to take care of your house?
Well, not exactly, but it gets really tiring sometimes, you know. And I tend to do my chores during the weekend.
Why don't you get a housekeeper? You know, go get you one.
You didn't have to bother yourself, sir. I'm fine.
Listen, I have boys who own cleaning agencies. They could get the best hands to come clean for you. It's that simple. You just say a word.
Well, thank you, but I don't think I need a housekeeper yet. I'm very particular about people I let into my space. But I'll definitely get one. I'd have to leave now. Thank you.
Okay, you take care.
What does that old man want from me? First, it was him asking me to invite him into my house. And then, next, offering to help me get a maid. What does that old man want from a young blood like me? It better not be what I am thinking. It just better not be what I am thinking.
I don't understand you. Did you invite me here for a staring competition? I don't get you.
Are you happy without me?
I'm sure that is not for me. What do I have to do with this? What is my business with how you feel?
I just wanted to ask because I'm not happy without you. Okay, please.
You're not happy without me. And how is it supposed to be my business? Tell me. When you were jumping all over the place with everything that we were scared, you did not think about my feeling. I mean, a man who cheats on his woman. I mean, what's that supposed to mean? What is that? What are you saying?
I never cheated on you. I would never cheat. Look, I don't even know the devil that came here the other day, and I don't know what her mission was.
Right.
Babe, look now, please. See, I'll be glad if you just made things. Okay?
200,000 for this baby. Until the baby is born.
200 what?
Oh, you're not ready. Fine, I'll just leave if you're not okay with it. But be rest assured that you will not have a place in this baby's life. From now till forever. Goodbye.
Babe now. Calm down, okay? Okay, fine. I'll send you the money if that will make you happy.
That's fine. I'll communicate everything to you. The time. Just make a transfer. Let me get out of this place, please.
$200 what?
Exactly how I felt when she said that.
I don't understand. What does she need that kind of money for? Is she carrying Jesus Christ or Holy Spirit?
Bro, look, I'm shocked as well. But I had to just give in.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, are you telling me you agreed to pay her 200,000 naira every month just because she carried your child?
Yes, I did. What would you have me do? I had no other choice.
What? Wait, is she the only girl that has gotten pregnant for a guy out of wedlock? And obviously she will not be the last.
Look, Steve, I understand. But I had no other choice. I mean, I don't want her to hurt the baby. Okay, so I had to just do what I had to do.
Okay, then to what end? Huh? Do you know that this one she had requested for 200,000 naira and you even agreed to pay? That means tomorrow she will demand for more.
Look, what would you have me do? What do you suggest I do? Tell me.
I don't know. But I just want you to know that. Just let her know that the pregnancy is not for you alone. It's for both of you. So she will not see it as poverty alleviation scheme.
You mean you wouldn't let me into your house and offer me a seat?
I'm sorry, sir. I know you've been helpful to me and all, but I don't feel comfortable letting you into my house with no other person around.
Let me get it. Do you think I can harm you, Chizara?
I haven't said that, sir. I'm just saying I'm not too comfortable with it. I'm sorry, sir.
Isn't that strange? Isn't that strange that you were at my mercy that fateful night? And I could have done anything I wanted to do to harm you if I wanted. Did I?
That's it. I appreciate you. But what if all of that is just a ploy to make me feel relaxed with you? Which brings me to the question. What do you want from me, sir?
So now you think I want something from you?
Well, I do not want to come off as rude, but neither am I a child nor daft. You've always been around to offer me some kind of assistance whenever I'm in some awkward situation. And that can be waived as mere coincidence. So, what do you really want from me?
Touché. You almost got me there. You see, I like the fact that you're not swayed by my status and my kind gestures towards you. You know, if we're other girls, they'll be dreaming about dinner in London, swimming in Milan. But you? No. You use your tongue and count your teeth, which is very rare. I like.
Well, I'm not other girls. So would you please answer my question?
I suppose you want me to go straight to the point, isn't it?
Please, sir.
You see, I want one thing straight. You see, I liked you from the very first day I came for one of my meetings here. And you have to understand that our meetings have been by chance. I am not stalking you. Now, that's me shooting. Chizaram. So, let me ask the question now. Do you think you can date, a man my age?
No. Not even for a single chance.
But why? What's the problem?
Everything. Everything is wrong with it, sir. I know you've been good to me and all, and I appreciate it. But please, let that your dream remain in the dreamland where it belongs, before it turns into a full nightmare. Have a nice day, sir.
And she's playing hard to get. She doesn't even have a boyfriend. Huh? You come and beg me. Don't worry.
Let's proceed.
Yeah, what a remarkable turnaround. So what happened? How did you do it?
In as much as I would like to take credit for it, I didn't do anything. I was surprised when he called me yesterday evening, expressing his desire to join the project.
Just like that?
Just like that. Maybe he wants to give us benefit of doubts.
Or maybe he noticed our proposal was too good to reject.
Well, it could be for whatever reason, but it's clearly in our favor. And that takes us to plan A. Ugochukwu and Chizara, I believe you know what to do.
Yes, sir. Chizara, so I would like you to meet me in my office so that we can take it up from there.
I don't see any reason why I should meet you in your office. I have the lead on this project. It should be the other way around.
It's alright, it's alright. Chizara, look, Ugochukwu here is the lead on this project. Okay? Just do as he says. I would like to see a presentation at close of business today. That will be all for now. Lady and gentlemen.
Babe, that's not what I mean now. Babe, why are you sounding like this? You're talking to me as if I'm one street boy. I'm your boyfriend, for crying out loud. Okay, fine, but you just take it. It's fine, I will take care of it. I'll look at it. I'll look at it right now. Check it. Okay.
What is it? Gochubu.
What?
What is it? What? This is madness. I don't understand. But is she carrying the king of the world?
Mm-hmm. That's a list of things to buy for the seed and the vessel for now.
Can you imagine? Wait. Is it a prank? Or for real?
You know, I know that being pregnant is not an easy thing. But that's not enough reason for her to ask for my head on a platter. Because this is what it's already looking like.
That is my point. This girl sees you as a fat cow that must be milked. You need to be smart. You need to be smart, if not, she will wreck you.
So, I'm asking you again, what do you suggest I do? Because this whole thing is already making me lose my mind.
There is no peace for the wicked, says the Holy Book.
Okay, sir, here's the file.
I don't get it. You put me on a high pedestal, raise my hopes, all for this nonsense. How dare you, Chima? How dare you?
I'm very sorry, Chief. We did all the whole investigation, and he ticked all the boxes.
Indeed. So, why are we having this conversation? Why?
Please forgive me. It's all my mistake. It won't happen again, sir. Please, sir.
Really? You have the guts to look me in the face and tell me that the reason why I pay you huge sums of money is to come here and tell me you are sorry and seek for forgiveness. Huh? Are you this incompetent? Are you?
I'm very sorry, sir. Please forgive my excuses. I promise to do better next time. I'm sorry, sir.
That's your choice. Need I tell you? I do not want to put a time frame for it. Just know there's no time. Find that boy. Or I'll get somebody to find it for you. Obviously, you know. You know what that means, don't you? Hmm?
I will do better this time, sir. I'm very sorry.
Get out of my presence!
Goodbye, Chief.
Chizara, have you completely lost your mind? What sort of gibberish are you spitting from your mouth?
Call it whatever you like. But I'm sure they hold enough water to make sense in your empty skull.
Look, guys, please, guys, let's stop this now. Stop this. Isn't a banter too much for a workspace? Huh? This is an office, not a bar.
Wise saying. But I don't know if his watery brain will allow him grasp the true meaning of it.
Look, Chizara, I would deal...
Oh, you asked me to come here for this presentation. So sit your butt down. Let's get to it.
And who are you to order me around here? I am the team lead here. Get that into your brain, if you have any.
Of course, you're the lead here. Same way you've led yourself to your perpetual distress. Lead my foot. Keep leading.
You guys are impossible. Huh? See guys, we have a presentation
to prepare before work close. Instead of all this, ask her to stop her entrances in my office. Look, I know she has diarrhea in her mouth, but you need to learn how to control it.
And that same diarrhea of the mouth will add to your perpetual distress if you do not sit your butt down and let's get to work. Wise decision. Your job is safe. Please for now. So what?
What specific advancements are being made in next generation solar panel? And how do you differentiate from traditional solar technology?
Next generation solar panels are incorporating new materials such as perovskites, which have higher efficiency and lower manufacturing costs compared to traditional silicon-based panels.
Yeah, and additionally, advancements in panel design such as bifacial panels and solar tracking systems optimize energy capture by utilizing sunlight from multiple angles throughout the day.
Well, kindly elaborate on the innovative features of advanced wind turbines and how do they contribute to increasing energy output and efficiency?
Okay, so advanced wind turbines are specially designed to harness wind energy more effectively by incorporating larger blades, taller towers, and improved aerodynamics. These features enable turbines to capture more wind energy, especially in low wind regions and offshore environments, resulting in higher energy output and improved efficiency.
What types of energy storage technology are being developed to complement the renewable energy sources? And how do you address the issue of intermittency?
Energy storage technologies such as lithium-ion batteries, flow batteries, and hydrogen storage systems are being developed to store excess energy generated by renewable sources during periods of high production.
And these technologies enable energy to be stored and discharged as needed, addressing the intermittency of solar and wind power and providing a reliable solution when renewable generation is low.
And how do you ensure that your research and development efforts in advanced renewable energy solution translate it into commercial viable products and services?
Our research and development efforts are guided by market analysis and industrial partnerships to ensure that our innovations address real-world needs and market demand.
Also, we prioritize scalability, affordability, and reliability in our technology development process, and we actively engage with stakeholders throughout the value chain to facilitate commercialization and deployment.
What potential regulatory and policy challenges do you foresee with the widespread of advanced renewable energy solutions? And if they are, what are your plans to overcoming and navigating through these obstacles?
We've been collaborating with policymakers and advocacy groups, industry associations to advocate for supportive policies and regulations that accelerate the transition to renewable energy.
Additionally, we work closely with utilities and grid operators to address technical and regulatory barriers to integration and ensure a smooth transition to a clean energy future. And I am so tired.
I know.
Woo.
But at least it's worth it.
Well, what do you expect from a boss with insatiable quest for perfection? You know too much.
Don't blame him. It has been like that over the years now, and it has yielded a great result. So if it is working, don't change it.
I beg you. Not until when person die.
His observation was spotted on. Just everything was fine except some little vital omissions and bad chemistry between you and Ugochukwu. Chizaram, you know you could have done better.
I or him? Why are you talking as if you don't know who the problem here is? You should be talking to him, not me.
Yes, Ugochukwu certainly said the same thing. Chizaram, what is actually going on between you and Ugochukwu?
You should ask him, he knows.
Yes, I will. But does it have something to do with the day you both were absent from work? Fine, I will have a word with him. But Chizaram, whatever it is, please don't allow it to affect your work. Good day.
Miss Chisara. Welcome, sir. Chisara.
No, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Is everything alright?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay, let's sit, please. I would like to introduce you to everyone here. Please meet Chief Izona Wadi, CEO Pavis Consortium, CEO Smart Holdings, and CEO Izona Groups. He is the potential investor we all have been waiting for. Chief, you're welcome to the family.
Oh, thank you very much.
On this note, sir, permit us to introduce you to an exciting investment opportunity in the field of advanced renewable energy.
Our project focuses on researching and developing innovative technologies that have the potential to revolutionize the renewable energy sector, accelerate the transition to a sustainable energy future, and reduce global dependence on fossil fuels.
At the heart of our initiative is a commitment to tackling the pressing challenges of climate change and energy security through technological innovation by harnessing the power of advanced solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage technologies. We aim to unlock new opportunities for clean, reliable, and affordable energy production.
And on why you should consider investing in my project, here are 4 key points. Firstly is the market potential. The global demand for renewable energy solutions is growing rapidly, driven by increasing environmental awareness, government incentives, and technological advancement. By investing in our project, you'll be tapping into a lucrative market poised for potential growth in the coming years.
Innovative leadership. Our team of experts is at the forefront of renewable energy research, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of efficiency, performance, and scalability. With a track record of successful innovations, we are well positioned to develop game-changing technologies that will disrupt the energy industry.
Thirdly is impactful sustainability. By investing in advanced renewable energy solutions, you'll be making a meaningful contribution to addressing one of the pressing challenges of our time, climate change. Our technologies have the potential to significantly reduce gas emissions, improve air quality, and create a more sustainable future for generations to come.
Lastly, profitability. While our primary goal is to drive positive environmental and social impact, We also recognize the importance of delivering strong financial returns to our investors. With a sound business model and a focus on commercialization, we are confident that our project offers attractive opportunities for profit and growth.
And sir, we believe by joining forces with investors like you, we can accelerate the development and deployment of advanced renewable energy solutions, paving the way for a cleaner, brighter, and more sustainable future for us all.
Sir, we look forward to the possibility of your partnership, and together, we all can make a meaningful impact in the future of energy. And together again, we all can smile to the bank. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So what did he say?
Calm down, everyone. He asked for a few moments so he could sort out one or two things. But I think he's impressed. Well, he mentioned a few concerns though. Well, I'm certain you guys did great. Okay?
Thank God.
That reminds me. Chizara, what was with the behavior you put up when Chief came in? Any problem?
Sorry, sir.
Are you sure? I think there's something. Do you know him before now?
One of her numerous sugar daddies.
Chizara?
Yes, sir. I know him before now.
Obviously.
Okay, that's by the way. Okay, Chief. Hello? Okay, I'll meet you shortly. Okay. We can go back to our office while we wait for the Chief's decision. Okay? Would you please come in here? Thank you, sir.
You saying unfounded things about me in front of everyone, including the chairman. What was that nonsense about, by the way?
Do you think that is madness? The real madness is you admitting to it and barging into my office to say otherwise.
Admitting to what exactly? I was asked if I knew the man before now and I said yes.
Oh, exactly. You know, it's an interesting thing you're beginning to add sugar daddies to your collection. I see.
So you think everyone is a cheater like you? Dog on pants.
What did you just call me?
You heard me right.
Did you get tired of this endless and needless banter? You're adult for crying out sake.
No. Referring to this boy as an adult is an insult to an adult like me. An adulthood. Please, next time, remember words like immature, puerile, infant when talking to some people. Alright? Do not go about calling people names that are too heavy, oversized, and expensive for them.
Chizara, I was actually coming from your office. The chairman wants to see both of you at the boardroom immediately. Yes. I advise you take this your madness alongside, since you find it daylight in exhibiting them. Good luck.
Certainly. But which ghost will even want to date a psycho like you? A fool at 30.
The same fool you're dying to be with, raising all this charade.
Dying to be with who? Please, get off your high horse before you fall and break your spinal cord. Dreamer. Shift. Let me see human beings.
Beautiful. Now, can you concentrate on finding the solution at hand rather than using every opportunity to talk to me? I'm sure you know we have a problem.
Look, you are the last person I would want to sit and talk with. But I'll make do with it. Listen, piss me off and I'll ruin everything. Let's see who will cry the most.
You wish. Butterfly calling herself bird. Look, we're in this mess because you decided to do older men. Yes.
How dare you?
What the hell is going on here?